What's up, guys? John here from Titan, and today I want to do a Titan myth busting segment just for you guys. So let's talk about one of these subjects. This one I get quite a few comments about and questions about. John, running or cardiovascular activity is going to give me more muscle definition and tone and increase muscle size. So let's break this down because there's a little bit of truth in that. There's a lot of false statement in that too as well. So let's talk about it. So when we do cardiovascular exercise, let's talk about long distance runners, sprinters, marathon, whatever you want to say. When we talk about those people, let's get an image in our mind of what those people really look like we see them on TV. What do they look like? Do they look really big and jacked and running down the track or the sidewalk or whatever they're running on the street? No, you're probably not going to see that. They're going to be usually, if they're professional, really lean and they'll be cut, but they'll be really small as far as body mass, right? You're not going to see like Big Drew running marathons professionally and doing well, okay? That just is what it is. It's because when we do cardiovascular exercise, we are actually, burning a lot of calories, right? We're slimming down, and that's why the runners look really, really thin. Now, some of those runners nowadays are having really thick or stronger legs, and that's because that's what's giving them all the power to run, right? But when we talk about building muscle, we have to talk about lifting weights, because lifting weights is what's going to break down the muscle and actually help you repair and regather and rejuvenate and rebuild those muscles to be bigger and stronger. That's why we do weight training, okay? So it's better to do weight training with cardiovascular exercise. Cardiovascular exercise is great for the heart, right? It's great for the body as far as leaning down or slimming up. If you want to slim up, you want to lose weight, you definitely should add cardiovascular exercise in your routine. Even if you don't want to lose weight, just for cardiovascular health, you want to add cardiovascular activity into your daily regimens or weekly regimens, whatever it is. At that point, you're doing what's best for your body and staying healthy, okay? But it's not going to help you grow bigger muscles, all right? So if you're thinking about getting your arms bigger, when you run, that's not going to get your arms bigger. Now, some of the truth and myth to this. So doing cardiovascular exercise is going to give you more chiseled muscles. So it's really not chiseling the muscles, but what it is doing is leaning you out. If you have a smaller body fat percentage, those muscles and definition are going to stand out a lot more. So if that's what you're looking for, then cardiovascular exercise is a great activity for you. If you want to gain lean muscle mass, you definitely want to add in weight training and not just cardiovascular activity, okay? I see a lot of girls out there, I just want to be toned and stuff like that. Well, cardiovascular activity will get some of the weight off and body fat off, and you might look more toned. But if you really want to look more toned, you'll add some weights in there, and at that point, you'll get all the benefits of getting lean body mass and being lean at the exact same time. So I hope you guys have listened, and I hope you guys are agreeing with me that cardiovascular exercise is not going to get you more jacked, but it's definitely going to get you more lean. So you're not going to get a whole bunch of muscle, but you will get some more definition out of it. Appreciate you guys. Just another myth-busting fact from Titan Medical Center to you guys. I appreciate you guys. I'll be bringing you more myth-busting facts from Titan Medical Center real soon. Thank you.